Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a VW Tiguan rear bumper. First, gather your tools, including a Torx bit set and a plastic trim removal tool. Make sure your Tiguan is parked on a level surface with the parking brake engaged. We'll start by addressing the fasteners located within the rear wheel wells on both sides of the vehicle. Next, move to the underside of the bumper. You'll find several screws or clips securing the bumper to the vehicle's frame. After these are removed, gently open the tailgate and access the taillight assemblies. Remove the screws holding each taillight in place, then carefully pull them out and disconnect any wiring harnesses. With the taillights out, you'll gain access to more fasteners and clips along the sides of the bumper, often hidden beneath trim pieces. Use your trim removal tool to carefully pry these clips open. Double-check around the trunk opening for any remaining screws or bolts that might still be holding the bumper in place. Patience is key here. Once all fasteners and clips are released, the bumper should be ready to come off. Carefully pull the bumper straight back, away from the vehicle. Be mindful of any parking sensors or other electrical connections that might still be attached. Disconnect these before fully detaching the bumper. Place it on a soft surface to prevent scratches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.